Ram Ram guys, we are mechanical students from Baseswar Engineering College studying 4th semester. We are making a group project of 8 people. The topic is eco-friendly small building heating system. It is based upon the thermodynamics design. The aim of this project is to design a sustainable and energy efficient heating system for a small building, which is regulated indoor temperature using a liquid based floor heating method. So the material we used in this project is small scale building model, which we have made from the thermocol. Then plastic tubes, could be of pipe or steel. Then what we have done is we have put hot and cold water to moderate the temperature. Then we have used pump. Then we have used temperature sensors for.
Now I am going to explain about principle. Based on the heat transfer principle convention, heat transfer from liquid to tubes. Condition: heat moves from tubes to floor. Radiation: floor radiates heat into the room.
I am going to explain about the procedure. First, build a small room model with the help of cardboard and the thermocol. Place plastic tubes in the circular pattern on the floor. Connect the tubes to a hot or liquid source. Use a pump to circulate the liquid. Observe temperature changes and performance.
Now I am going to tell advantages of eco-friendly heating system. Eco-friendly, no direct use of electricity. And next, energy efficient, uses of minimal power per circulation. Uniform heating, provides even heat distribution. Customizable, can be adapted for different room size. I will discuss about disadvantages of eco-friendly heating system. Slow heating, takes a time to heat, cool the room. Initial cost.
Installation cost.
Setting up the system may require investment. Requires pump, needs continuous liquid circulation.
Of the eco-friendly heating system using the Newton's cooling law. The equation is Q is equal to HA delta T, where Q is the heat transfer rate and H is the heat transfer coefficient and A is the surface area, and delta T is the difference between the liquid temperature and room temperature. Assume on the example, the rate of energy transfer is 500 and room temperature is 50 degrees Celsius and liquid temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, and third one is area and length of this tube is 2 meter and the diameter of the tube is 4 millimeter, is converted into meter into 10 raised to minus 3, and explain surface area of using the formula pi dl, where d is the diameter of the tube and l is the length of the tube, where l is the 2 meter and diameter of the tube is 4 millimeter, converted into meter 0.0004 millimeter, and put the equation of a is equal to pi dl and substitute the all given value, get answer is 0.0214, and substitute the Q is equal to HA into delta T, where H is equal to 500 into A is equal to 0.215 and into delta T is 50 minus 25 degrees Celsius, there 25, and 500 into 0.215 into 25. The final answer is the heat transfer rate is 3.14.4, and the conclusion of ecosystem heating system is, first conclusion is the liquid based heating system effectively regulate the room temperature. It is the first conclusion, and second conclusion is apply the thermodynamics principle, ensure the energy conservation and sustainability, and third one is this approach is suitable for both the large and small scale building with proper modification. Thank you.
So we are going to show a demo of our project. So what we made is cardboard, a room of cardboard, just to show how the demo works. So we have a cardboard which we have put. So we have made a demo of our project to show you. It is a room made up of cardboard and thermocol. We have used these tubes for the input of the water, and here's the output which comes from the room. And we have made a coil of tubes in the room to develop the temperature. So what we do now is we put water as the input, which could be cold or hot, which is transferred to the coils here. So the hot water develops a radiation which is hot or cold, depends on the temperature, depends on your mood. Next, then so the coil develops a temperature here. It could be hot or cold. So the radiation creates a hot or cold temperature in the room, and the which shows the temperature of the water.
That is
So
low than
As the water is cold, the temperature will show as low.
So we have put the water as the input, which is a cold water. So the thermometer shows it has the low temperature. So we put the cold water as the input from the tubes. So the water goes to the coils inside the room. So when the cold water touches the thermometer shows the indication that the water is low. Here is the mark that L shows that it is low. So when the tube gets warmer from the room temperature, we take it out as the output for in this tube. Then we transfer another in the room temperature. As the room temperature is hot, so the cold temperature gets warmer from the room temperature. When the water gets warmer, we take it out as output in this tube. The tube water form, replace the tube water with another cold water, and again it goes to the coil and makes the room temperature cooler. So this is the working of our project. This is how our demo works. So eco-friendly small building heating system. As we shown in this video, you may have understood it, and we thank you for watching our video.
Thank you.
Thank you.